Hello, hello. Good morning. Hi, Adriana. Ricardo Gamero. Hello. Okay, Gerson, hello. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So today you only use your book. Yes, you only use your book. Marianne, hello. Welcome to your EFL class. Okay, Carlos Armando, welcome. Okay, Carlos Armando. Would you like, let me see, Carlos or Armando? Or both names? Okay, let me check. ¿Cómo le gusta que le digan?
¿Qué tengo que decirme?
Ok, ¿cómo le gusta que le llamen? ¿Carlos Armando? ¿O solo Carlos o solo Armando?
Mejor díganme Carlita.
Ok. Ok, Carlitos Arias y Carlitos Cornejo. Ok, because I have two Carlos. Ok, excellent. So let's see. Gerard, hello. Mario, hello. Okay, good job. Excellent. Gerson, hello. So let's see. We'll start in a few minutes. Yes? Okay. Today we only use our book. No, our notebook, only book. Okay. It's all the exercises of our book. Okay, so let's see. Let's start. Okay, I make some mimics and you guess what is the action or what is the expression, okay, about shorts. Let's see. Okay, for example, let me see this one. Imagine that this one is a furniture, this is a table, okay? We have a cabinet, etc. And I do this one. What is that? And I have a feather duster on my hand. What is the action that I develop? Okay. Carlos Cornejo, do you have the answer? Yes? Okay, I activate the sound. Excellent.
Clean.
Okay, yeah, it's clean, but according to the expression that we learned yesterday is does. You have the expression on your book. Okay, Adriana, tell me.
Does the furniture.
Yes, does the furniture. Excellent. This is the expression. Does the furniture. Okay, imagine that I have a lot of dishes, glasses on my hand, and this one is my table, and it's the breakfast time, okay? And I put all the dishes, the glasses, okay, the forks, the knives. Okay, what is the action? Okay, Mario, tell me.
Set the table.
Yes, set the table. Good job. Okay, let me see. Imagine, okay, this is my dog and I go outside. Okay, I need to put a leash to the neck of my dog. What is the action? And I go on the street. Okay, Maria Navas, tell me.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog. Yes, excellent. Okay, next one. When you hear, okay, a bell, tiling, 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 okay, and you have a lot of bags, okay, you have the bucket, you have a container, and you take or can the bag and you run, okay, because one truck is coming and it sounds, tiling, 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 and this one sound is referring to, let me see, Anderson, okay, you have the answer, tell me. No? Okay. Let's see. Ivania, what is the action?
Take out the garbage.
Yes, take out the garbage. Good job. Okay, and I have a electric machine. Okay, and the sound is and imagine that I have a carpet in my living room and you are with the machine. What are we doing with this action? Okay, Adriana.
Vacuum the carpet.
Yes, back on the carpet. Good job. Okay, let's see. And the last one. Okay, I have a bucket. Okay, and I have another supply on my hand. This one is with feeders too. Okay, and I did this one. And I start in the floor. What is the action? Okay. What is this one? Do you remember? Okay, Anderson, tell me.
Sweet.
Okay, sweep or mop. Mop the floor, exactly. Okay, to sweep the floor or mop the floor. Excellent. Okay, good job. Thank you, Vania. Excellent. So let's see. Okay, now we start. Open your book, please, on page number 6. Okay, it is necessary that you open your book on page number 6, please. Okay, excellent. Wait a minute. Okay, right now. Let's see. Okay, today is Tuesday and we discuss about this one. Okay, I have to mop the floor. This one is an obligation, okay? When you use I have to, tengo que, okay? I have to mop the floor. I have to set the table. I have to walk the dog, okay? So this one an action that you develop or you use this expression when this one is an obligation, okay? That means when your mom says, okay, Mario, you have to set the table today. Okay, Ivania, you have to wash the dishes today. Okay, Adriana, you have to back on the carpet today. Okay, that means this one is an instruction or an obligation. Yes. Okay, we listen and you mark on your book. This one is on page number 6. You listen the dialogue and then you mark the things that could be so, okay, dad or mom have to do. Va a marcar cuáles son las cosas que hace so, dad or mom, okay? You tell me in the chat if you hear the sound, please. Ok, ¿escucha el audio? Póngame un dedito arriba si usted lo logra escuchar, please. No. Okay, no. So let me check. No. Okay, so let's see. I read it. I tell you in my part. Okay, so let's see. Listen and mark. You have the chart, okay, and you check. What are the activities that so develop or what are the activities that have to do or maybe mom? Let's see. Okay, so can I ask you some question about your chores at home? Sure. Okay, answer so. Do you have to make your bed? And so answers, yes, I do. And I have to set the table before lunch. What about you, mom? She has to bake on the carpet. Does she have to wash the dishes? No, my dad doesn't that. Okay, but she usually has to take out the garbage and dust the furniture. Does your dad have to do anything else? Yes, he has to mop the floor. He has to walk the dog too. Okay, so this one is the dialogue. I repeat again. Yes? Okay, and you complete. You write a check. What are the activities that so has to do, dad has to do, and mom has to do? Okay? Okay, excellent. One more time. So, can I ask you some question about your chores at home? Sure. Answers. So, do you have to make your bed? Yes, I do. And I have to set the table before lunch. What about your mom? She has to bake on the carpet. Does she have to wash the dishes? No, my dad does that, but she usually has to take out the garbage and dust the furniture. Does your dad have to do anything else? Yes, he has to mop the floor. He has to walk the dog too. Okay, did you answer it? Did you write the checks? Yes? Okay, excellent. So let's see. Now, who who has to make the bed? So, dad or mom? Okay, Daniela Marie, tell me. So, dad or mom?
So.
So, okay, let's check. Thank you. Let me see. Yes, okay, you write a check. So, has to make the bed. Next one, set the table. Who develops this action? So, dad or mom? Who has the answer? Okay, let me see. Set the table. Who set the table? Who has to set the table? Ivania, what is the answer?
So.
Okay, so let me check. Yes, so has to set the table. Good job. Let's see. Next action, vacuum the carpet. Okay, who develops this action? So, dad or mom? Okay, Anderson.
Mom.
Mom. Okay, let me check. Yes, mom. Good job. Andres, next one. Wash the dishes. Who has to wash the dishes? Andres?
That.
Dad. Okay, let me check. Yes, exactly. Dad. Good job. Now, take out the garbage. Who has to take out the garbage? Let me see. Okay. Who has to take out the garbage? Okay, Daniel, give me the answer. Take out the garbage. So, dad or mom? Okay, Daniel. So, dad or mom? Who has to take out the garbage? Okay, let me check here. Let me see. Okay, Mia Rivera, take out the garbage. So, dad or mom?
Mm,
Okay, no? Okay, I help you. Okay, let me check if it is mom. Let's see. Yes, mom. Mom has to take out the garbage. Okay, let's continue. Let me see. Fernando, does the furniture. So, dad or mom, Fernando? Dust the furniture. Okay, let me check. Mom has to dust the furniture. Mop the floor. Okay, who mop the floor? Okay, you said that is dad. Let's check. Dad, exactly. And the last one, walk the dog. So, dad or mom? Okay, dad. Anderson, give me the answer.
so.
So, okay, let me see. Dad, okay, has to walk the dog. Remember the dialogue. At the end says that dad has to walk the dog too. Okay, so that's me. So, make the bed and set the table. Yes? Okay, dad has to wash the dishes, mop the floor, and walk the dog. And mom has to vacuum the carpet, take out the garbage, and dust the furniture. Okay, excellent. Good job. So let's see. Now, next one. In this case, okay, we mark, okay, according to the information of your classmate. For example, we have this dialogue. Do you have to make your bed? Yes, I do. Okay, and if you check the activities that you, let me see, your friends or your classmate develop. For example, let me see, you do the dialogue in pairs, okay? I choose two students. The first one, ask, and the other one, answer, okay? You can say, do you have to dust the furniture? And the other student answer, yes, I do, or maybe, no, I don't, okay? So let's see, let's start. Ivania Mejia and Daniela Marin, okay? So Ivania, you ask, and Daniela, you answer, yes? Okay. Remember, you can use different expressions that we learned yesterday, part of the vocabulary, okay? Okay, Ivania, ask to Daniela Marin.
Do you have to make your bed? Yes, I do.
Okay, excellent, okay? And you write a check, okay, in the image that you have next to the boy and the girl, yes? Okay, according to the answer. Thank you very much. Okay, now, Daniela Marin, you ask Ivania Mejia. Anybody answer, okay?
Do you have to mop the floor? Mm, usually, usually I do.
Okay, okay, so yes, I do. Good job, excellent, okay? And you mark. Okay, good job. Let's see. Now, okay, Mia Rivera and Adriana Barahona. Okay, Mia ask first and Adriana answer, please. Okay.
Adriana, do you have take out the garbage? Yes, I do.
Okay, okay. Right now, Adriana, you ask to Mia and Mia answer, yes?
Mia, do you have to set the table? Yes, I do.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. Next pair. Let me see. Anderson and Carlos. Please, Anderson, you ask and Carlos answer. Okay, activate your sounds.
Do do you have to make your do you have to walk the dog?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now Anderson, you ask and Carlos Arias, you answer.
Do you have to walk the dog? Do you have to walk the dog?
Okay, Carlos, answer. Okay, right now, activate.
Yes, I do.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. Okay,
Me
next
acompaña.
pair. Let me see. Okay, Mario and Diego Lopez.
Hello, miss.
Hello. Okay, Mario, ask to Diego, please.
Do you have to wash the dishes? Yes, I do.
Okay, now Diego, you ask to Mario.
Mm, Mario, do you have to wash the dishes? Yes, I do.
Okay, excellent. The majority of you develop different chores. Good job. Okay, that's nice. Let's see. The others, I need the participation, but in other part. Yes. Okay, so you mark the different opinion of your friends. Okay, for example, some of you said that you made the bed. The other ones that walk the dog. Others that wash the dishes. So you can mark all of this one. You can write a check in this activity. Or maybe take out the garbage. Yes? Okay, good job. So let's see. Now, this one. Have to, okay? Remember, this one is an expression that we use for develop different instructions or let me see, for develop activities that is an obligation that you do. For example, do you have to bake on the carpet? No, I don't have to bake on the carpet. Okay, I have to walk the dog. In that case, okay, it's the obligation. I have to walk the dog. This one is the activity that are for you. The other one, no. And when you answer, you said, no, I don't have to, and follow the expression, vacuum the carpet. Or I have to walk the dog, similar to the exercise that we develop right now. Does your dad have to set the table? No, he doesn't have to set the table. He has to bike on the carpet. Okay, remember, do, we use this auxiliary with, okay, the plural person or the plural pronoun. Yes, they, we, you. Okay, and does, we use this one in third person. That's mean she, it, or he. For example, in this case, we talk about our dad. Yes, that's your dad. Okay, this one is third person, and for that reason, we use the auxiliary does. Okay, so let's see. Now we complete about you. Okay, this one is your personal opinion. For example, I have to wash the dishes. Okay, or maybe I don't have to wash the dishes. Okay, my dad has to set the table. Or my dad doesn't have to set the table. My mom has to mop the floor. Or maybe my mom hasn't to mop the floor. Okay, so you answer this part according to the information of your family, yes? Instead, complete about you. Okay, complete this part, please, and then I ask you, okay? According to your family, yes? And according to your information. For example, it's possible, I don't wash the dishes. You don't wash the dishes, yes? Okay, but if you have to do, so you write, I have to, yes? Or maybe I don't have to. Okay, according to you. Let's see. I give you 1 minute and you answer this part. Remember, only write have to or don't have to or doesn't have to. Okay? Because this one is the structure that we studied today. Remember, we use have to when this one is an obligation. It's an activity that you need to do. It is necessary, okay, that you develop this action. Okay, let's see. Carlos Cornejo, give me your opinion. Okay, the first sentence, what is your answer?
I have to wash the dishes.
Okay, you have to wash the dishes. Good job. Let's see. Next one. Okay, let's see. Gerardo, number one, or the first sentence. Okay, I have to wash the dishes or I don't have to wash the dishes.
I don't to wash the dishes.
Okay, you don't have to wash the dishes. Good job. Let's see. Fabiola, please. Then, my dad doesn't have to set the table or has to set the table.
No, uh, I don't.
Okay, I don't have to wash the dishes. Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. The second one, my dad, okay, it's possible that you say my dad has to set the table, okay? Or my dad doesn't have to set the table. Excellent. Okay, good job. Or maybe my mom has to mop the floor. Or my mom doesn't have to mop the floor. Yes? Okay, good job. Have to. Another person think it is necessary, okay? For example, your mom consider that it is necessary to develop different action. Or this one is an external obligation. For example, I have to do the homework. I have to send the evidence to my teacher. Okay, this one is an external obligation. You know that you need to send or to develop this activity. Maybe facts, not opinion. Okay, for example, you are at home, you have to get up early, okay? You have to take a shower early. This one is a fact, okay? Es un hecho que usted lo tiene que hacer, no es una opinión. Okay, so we use have to when another person thinks it is necessary that you develop this action. Or maybe an external obligation, or when it is a fact, not an opinion. And we have the different forms, okay, of have to. For example, I have to, you have to, he has to, she has to, it has to, we have to, they have to, you have to. And in negative, I don't have to. You don't have to do something. He doesn't, she doesn't have to do something. We, they, and you don't have to do something. Okay, let's see. Now we have a game right now. So let me check, please. Okay, I stop sharing the screen and let me see. Let's wait. Let's play right now. Vamos a jugar un ratito, ok? Solo déjeme que cargue. Ok, excellent. Let me see. Ok, déjeme ver si se logra cargar. Ok. Let me see. Okay, it's uploading right now. Wait some minutes, some seconds, okay? Let me check if it is possible. Okay, so let's check. Oh no, it's not this one. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me see the next class. We develop this game, yes? Or maybe at the end of the class, we try to develop the game. Okay, so let's see, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see now. Next exercise. This one is on page number 7, please. Let's go to page number 7. Okay, this one is light on grammar. Okay, we have wash the paintbrushes after you paint. Okay, you know the meaning of after and before. Yes, antes y después. Okay, so let's see. Clean your work area before you leave. Okay, what is the meaning of before? Antes. What is the meaning of after? Después. Okay, so that's mean when action is developed first and then we develop a second action. Okay, so let's see. Now, we number the actions in that part. Okay, make your bed and you go to school. What do you consider is the best word, after or before? Make your bed after you go to school or make your bed before you go to school? What do you consider, after or before? Okay, Ivania says before, Carlos says before. Okay, excellent. So let's see, let me check. Before, exactly. Make your bed before you go to school. Okay, antes. Let's see. Okay, that's me. Make your bed is the first action or the second action? Make your bed. First action or second action? This one is? Okay, first action. Let me check. Yes, this is the first action. You go to school. That's mean this one is the second action. Yes. First one, you make your bed. And the second action that you develop is you go to school. Okay. Excellent. Let's see. Wash the dishes before or after you eat your lunch. Okay, Carlos Cornejo. Wash the dishes before or after?
After you eat your lunch.
Okay, after you eat your lunch, exactly, okay? So that's me. Wash the dishes is the first action or the second action? This is the
The
second
second
action.
action.
Exactly. And you eat your lunch is the first one or the second?
First one.
Okay,
First action.
obviously, excellent. Obviously is the first one, yes? Okay, so that's mean before and after, yes? Remember, we developed first action and then the second one. Good job. Okay, so let's see. This one is on page number 7. You have to complete, yes? Okay, excellent. Let's see. Now, let's pass. Next activity. You read and stick. Okay, this one is our camp rule. Okay, you need your stickers. In this case, please take your stickers and we develop this activity. Okay, this one is on page number 7. Okay, excellent. And in that case, okay, you stick the first one and the second action. Yes, prepare all the material before you start. Okay, what is the first action in this case? The first action is prepare all the materials before you start. Okay, that's mean you need to prepare the materials. This is the first action and then you start. Okay, excellent. Let's see. Next one, wash the paintbrushes after you paint. Okay, what is the first action? The first one is paint. And the second action is wash the paintbrushes. Okay, I projected here. Okay, in that form. Yes? Okay, so you stick please in the correct order. The first action is Prepare all your materials and then you will start painting. Then in the second box, okay, you paint and then you wash the paint brushes. Then, okay, you clean your work area. This is the first action. And then you leave. And in number 4, you hang your painting and it dries. Okay, the first action is dries. And the second action is hang your painting. Okay, so this one is the best order of the art camp rules. Okay, remember, you stick in the correct order. The different actions, please. Okay, the first one, you prepare your materials. Then you start painting. In the second step, you paint. First, you paint, and then you wash the paint brushes. The third action, okay, or the third step, you clean your work area and then you leave the room. And in the fourth step, you dry. Yes, you dry the painting and then you hang your painting on the wall. Okay, excellent. Good job. Okay, these one are the rules of our camp. Okay, tell me when you finish, please. And remember, in that case, we use before and after. Prepare all the materials before you start. Similar to our classes, yes? Prepare all your materials before the classes starts, okay? Then wash the paint brushes after your paint, okay? Clean your work area before you leave. Hang your painting after it dries. Okay, and we follow steps. We use the expression before and after. Okay, good job. Excellent. Okay. Do you finish? Yes? Okay, the majority of you finish. Good job. Okay. So let's see. Okay, now let's go, okay, on page 112 and 116. Vámonos a la página 112, 116. Okay, 112, 116, please, of your book. In this case, we develop the pair work, okay? Pair work, 112, 115. Okay, pair work. Turn to page 112, 115. Ok, vámonos a la página 112 o 116. Yes, turn to page 112, 115. And it is this one, yes? Okay, exactly. So let's see. First one, we complete. First A, yes? Okay, unit 1A. Listen to your friend and write the missing rules. Okay, in that case, these one are different rules. Page 112. Váyase a la página 112. Okay, this one is per work. Okay, excellent. Listen to your friends and write the missing rules. In the first step, this one is enter your password before you use a computer. Okay, you enter your password before you use a computer, and then the computer open all the window, yeah? Okay, so let's see. The second step, what is this one? Ask for paper before you print. Yes, this one is the second step. Okay, now you complete the second step in per work 1A, please ask for paper before your print. Okay, complete this part, please. Okay, you ask for paper before your print. Excellent. Okay, this is the step number 2. We have to complete, yes? Okay, we have the step number 3. Okay, delete files after you save them on your memory stick. Okay, delete files after you save them on your memory stick. Okay, what is the step number 4? This is sign out after you finish your work. Okay, sign out after you finish your work. And this one are some advices when you're sending your homework too. Yes. Okay, sign out after you finish your work. Excellent. We have the step number 5. Collect all your belongings before you leave. Collect all your belongings. For example, when your class is finished, okay, in the afternoon, you collect all your belongings, you order your desk, and you leave the room, okay? And the last step, pay before you leave. Okay, this boy is in the cyber coffee, okay? In Spanish, we call cyber cafe, yes? Okay, that means this boy goes to this play, and these one are the steps that they follow in the coffee net. Okay, first one, he enter the password and then he uses a computer. Then he asks for paper and then he prints the information. Then he delete files after you save and he put on a memory stick. The step number 4, he signs out after he finishes his work. Then he collected all his belongings and he leave, okay, the place. Then he pay before he leaves, okay? So let's see. This one is the exercise on page 112. What happened on page 116? Okay, you have the same exercise, but you complete with the words of the expression. You complete the step number 1, step number 3, and step number 5. Yes? Okay, excellent. So right now in 1A, we complete step number 2, number 4, and number 6. In 1B that you have on page 116, you complete step 1, step 3, and step 5. It's the same information, yes? Okay. Es la misma información. La diferencia es que usted en la unidad 1B va a completar el paso 1, 3 y 5, los pasos que ya tiene acá. Ok, let's see. Excellent. Okay, you finish this part and then you turn to page 116. Turn to page 116. Váyase a la página 116 y complete paso 1, paso 3 y paso 5. Yes? Okay, excellent. Okay, good job. Remember, you don't send evidence of the work of our book. Yes, only notebook. At the end of the trimester, I check your book. Okay, al final del trimestre voy a chequear su libro. No envíe las evidencias de su libro, sino que solamente de su cuaderno, el trabajo de cuaderno, ¿ok? Al final del trimestre yo chequeo los ejercicios del libro. Yes? Okay, excellent job. So let's see, you finished this part? Yes? Majority of you finish? Okay, so let's see. Thank you very much. And remember, today we study have to, okay? That this one is an obligation or maybe in an instruction, and we use before and after, okay? We follow the order of the ideas, similar to this exercise, yes? Okay, thank you very much for paying attention. Don't forget to complete the unit 1B, that this one is on page 116, and see you the next week, yes? And please send the evidence because I need to check them, okay? Okay, thank you very much for being in classes. Have a nice week, okay? Have a nice rest of the week. God bless you a lot. Okay, see you the next week. Bye-bye. And take care. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.